there's a misconception that I want to correct. There are a lot of people that come up and tell you that if your videos are over 1 year on YouTube, that YouTube doesn't count it as part of your watch hour. That is very wrong. Now, even if you made videos like 2 years ago, even 3 years ago, and you've not gotten your 4,000 watch hour, YouTube will still count it when people are watching it, even if people are watching it this year. So there's no need for you to delete videos you've done over the years, or maybe because it's 2 years ago or 3 years ago, you will delete it because it has stayed long. If people are still watching it, they are still showing interest on that video, you don't have to delete it. The thing is, YouTube is going to count your watch hours within a space of 1 year. So whether the watch hour came from old videos or new videos, it is still going to count for you. Don't delete your videos. If your video eventually go viral and people show interest on your channel, they need to see more videos that they can binge watch. Like, they have to come and see that, okay, you've been making efforts over the years. So you don't have to delete any of your video, whether it's a short time or it's a long time. I hope that makes sense. Don't delete your video for any reason. YouTube will count your watch hour so far it is within 1 year. So whether it's old video or new video, it will be counted. So that being said, if these features are turned on your YouTube channel, that is probably why you are not getting views. I can imagine after spending hours coming up with ideas, shooting videos and editing, and you are getting 67 views, you are getting 100 views. That's an error, and that's simply because there are some features that are supposed to be turned on or turned off on your YouTube studio, but you didn't know. YouTube is recommending your video to the wrong audience. Hi growth partner, my name is Gifty Morgan. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe. I am here to make your journey on YouTube easy. Based off of my 3 years experience on YouTube, I'll be sharing some of the lessons I've learned, the mistakes, the do's and don'ts that will help you to grow a successful YouTube channel. So if this is your first time here, please subscribe and stay with me. We don't hurt things here. Like, I tell you everything as it is. So this particular video is basically for small YouTubers. You've not gotten up to your 1,000 subscribers or your 4,000 watch hours, and your views are not increasing at all. There are some things that you didn't set up on your YouTube studio, and I'm going to put you through that. See you on the other side of the video.
First thing you do is go to your Google or Safari or Chrome, any browser you're using. You type YouTube Studio desktop site, so it shows you YouTube in a web manner. And then once you type it, you will still log in. Just tap on login, and then it goes to your YouTube studio. Sometimes it takes a little while before it now goes to the web manner, and sometimes it just goes directly. It depends on how your browser works, but you just give it a few minutes to load, and you will see your YouTube studio in a web form. So this is my YouTube studio right now, and I'm going to take you guys straight to customization. So customization is the second to the last icon there. Once you click on it, it takes you to the customization page. Now this is where you will see profile, you will see home tab. Just tap on home tab. This is where we are working. So once you get to the home tab, you can see how everything is laid out. I've already set up my own, but I'm just going to show you guys how I did it. So the first thing you're going to see is the home tab. Let me zoom it so that we can see clearly. The home tab says show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. So make sure that this icon is on. That's the first thing you tap on. Once it is tapped on, everything is activated. Then the second thing, layout, is that customize layout of your channel homepage up to 12 sections. So what they mean by 12 sections is each layer, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have about 6 layers already. So for you to see that, it can be up to 12 with these options. The options include your channel trailer, your spotlight for returning subscribers. We have for you videos, popular videos, silent videos, live, past live streams, single playlist, subscription, a lot of things, And then the first thing you consider is this your channel trailer for people that haven't subscribed. So if you know your video that have the highest view, video that is popular, that many people are showing interest in, I think your most viral video that has the highest view, that's the first thing you put for people that haven't subscribed, because obviously a lot of people are showing interest in it. And the second one is feature videos for returning subscribers. So this is where you consider another video that that is closer to the one you posted on the channel trailer, maybe a video that is somehow connected or related to it that they will also like. That means if they like the other one, they should like this one. So that's the video you feature for them for returning subscribers. Now we have the For You page. This is the most important part. Not like other places are not important, but this is where the recommendation comes to play. Now this For You page, you can see that they said YouTube recommend fresh content. Fresh content. Take note of that, fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible for your viewers when you have enough content. So obviously you have to have enough content, like your videos have to be many, let me say like 20-30 videos and above. So if you tap more settings, you will see what to include in your For You section. This is going to be visible to your viewers only when you have enough content, just like I said. So the content type is only your videos, your shorts, and your live stream. Please make sure that these buttons are on. Make sure that you tap them, that they are on. Some of you, if you check, it might be off. Maybe that's where your problem is coming from, why your videos are not being recommended. But now the recency, if you look, they said all content recommended. YouTube always upload the For You section within fresh content. So obviously you know that even if you have old videos, YouTube is taking from the fresh content. And then the second one, we have recent content you posted in the last 12 months. So this is the one you should click, because if you notice that a lot of people like to watch recent videos instead of very old videos, so it's better for you to limit it within 12 months so that enough can be going out, and at the same time there are things that you are doing recently that people will love to watch, instead of recommending old videos that are no longer relevant or are like way back. People really don't like it. So make sure to choose the recent content only as your recency, and then you tap done. So just like I said when I started this video, the fact that you're choosing recency does not mean that if people are watching your old videos that the watch hour is not going to count. It is going to count. But the thing is that we choose recent content so that the recommendation can be based up of fresh content, which YouTube told us that yes, they recommend from fresh content. So no matter what, please don't delete your videos, whether they are old or new. Don't delete it. There are still people that are going to like your old videos. Anyway, back to after this For You section, you can also add your single playlist, your videos, your shorts, because they said you can recommend up to 12 layers. So you can add as much video as possible on this section. This is the part where you just choose any of your videos you want to feature for the For You section. Any settings you do are just remember to tap publish, and that is it. It is set properly. So if you go back to your YouTube Studio via app, so once you check it, you can see that most of the videos that you posted within 1 month are the videos that are going to be popping up now for recommendation and all of that. The old videos are down there. People can still watch it. It's still relevant, but the focus is going to be on the last 1 year. So that is it for this video.
So I hope that this helps you and you put in more effort in posting your videos. You put in more effort in coming up with good ideas, staying consistent, and just putting out crisp video and interesting video while these settings are on. I hope that it helps you to grow your channel in a short time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question or you want me to make any video, you have any issues at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will always respond to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.